Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So today in this video, I will going to tell about how to register for Google Cloud Arcade program. As we know guys, the Google Cloud Arcade program has been organized by Google Cloud, and if anybody want to be a part of this program, then you can register for this program. And the session 2 has just started guys for July to December, and the game already on. So if you want to be a part of this program, then you can register. And in this video, I will tell each and every procedure, like how to register, what was the procedure, and each and everything you will get to know end of this video. So just you have to watch this video until last. And after watching this video, if you have any doubt, then you can comment in a comment box. So let me start. So guys, first of all, you have to copy this access code. Copy this access code and click on start. And if you don't have a skill boots account, just you have to create. And those who have already account, just you have to click here join, and you can click on sign in with Google. Those who have account, those who don't have, they can also create with help of this only. And just click on join this game and paste that access code which we have copy. No, this access code we have to paste here. Here you have to paste this access code and just click join. Now you are able to see here they have given 8 labs. These labs are required guys, as you can able to see here. These labs are required. So this all the lab you have to complete, like each and every lab you have to complete. If you know already like how to do a Google Cloud lab, then you can complete by yourself. If you don't know, then you can, if you don't know anything about Google Cloud, then you can go to YouTube and just you have to search this heading on YouTube. You will get all the solution for this lab. And once you start this lab, like they have given time also, in within this time you have to complete these labs. And if you complete this lab, you will get 1 point. For they have given 8 labs. If you complete this all 8 labs, you will get 1 point. So like that you have to complete. And if you want to access another lab, so same you have to, like if you want to access this one, just you have to copy this access code and click start, and just click here join this game, paste that access code and click on join. Now also you can able to see here they have given 4 labs only, like they have given only 4 labs. Just you have to complete these 4 labs, after you will get 1 point. So as you think that what is the use of this point, like guys, the use of this point, when the price counter will open after end of this session, you will able to claim your swags from Google Cloud. They will send you a price counter mail. With help of that you can able to claim your swags. So this is the use of point guys. And same like that, if you want to access this one also you can, and this one also you can, whatever you want you can access. Like if you want to access this one also, you can just copy this one, click on start, and you can access. And guys, one more things here, don't forget to subscribe. If you not subscribe, you will not able to get any important update from Google Cloud. So make sure that which email you have registered, same email ID you have to give here. Click on next. Just if you want to read, just read. These are the instruction they have given. Like they have given, I will not change my public profile during the course of arcade. And make sure that you have only one account. If you participate with multiple account, then your account will going to block. So just You have to participate with only one account, guys. Don't participate with multiple account. And just you have to click here, yes, I am accepting this all the term and condition, and just click on submit here. After clicking, you will get one mail, confirm mail, like you have successfully subscribed. And once you subscribe, no need to worry, you will get all the update from Google Cloud. So these are the process, like how to register, what was the procedure. I hope you guys get to know how to register. If you have guys any doubt, let me know in the comment box. And I hope this will help you. If you really think this video will help you, so kindly subscribe, because I always making this kind of video. Thank you guys.